What's up? We're in a new designated area for probably my most anticipated video that I came up with this morning yet. We've got ourselves the ultimate energy drink review, and then we're going to combine all that to make my heart explode in fabulous fashion. Okay, so our first energy drink will be Mountain Dew Kickstart with a total of 2 servings. So it's got 92 milligrams of caffeine per this container. Pretty sure. Yeah, 92 milligrams of caffeine. Then we've got Monster, which is a notorious energy drink. I had it preached against me in Sunday school. Let's see. It has 160 milligrams of caffeine. Then we've got ourselves a Red Bull, the 8.4 fluid ounces version. Figured it would be a little better. 80 milligrams. Up next, Venom Energy, 160 milligrams of caffeine. Next, we got ourselves a Rockstar. I think it's like the video game brand. Alright, that's pretty cool actually. 160 milligrams. Then, we got ourselves a Prime. 200 milligrams of caffeine. I'll give that another shot there. Second to last, we have ourselves a C4. My favorite explosive, I think, probably. Grenades are pretty cool, actually. I don't know about C4s. 200. That's what it looks like, yeah. Yeah, I don't care about the shot. And then 5 Hour Energy, which should have 230 milligrams. And this, golly, you're trying to kill me. Now, according to what source you use, you should only digest 1,000 milligrams to 1,200 milligrams of caffeine a day. But I'm not too worried about that. I don't know how much caffeine's here. I'll do the math after the video. I'll put it in post. But I don't want to worry about it right now. And I'm sure it's not 1,000. So my heart might not explode. First up, we're going to be trying this illustrious 5 Hour Energy. Always looked at it during work, but never tried it. Smells strong. Oh, it smells like battery acid. Oh, that's not very, It doesn't taste that great. It's like medicine. It tastes like NyQuil, honestly. It's fine, but I wouldn't drink it, you know. Mountain Dew Kickstart. This is the fruit punch. It tastes like a kind of worse Mountain Dew. Kind of like the Major Melon, but if you made it bad. Up next is Original Monster. This helped me score a 32 on the ACT. Very cool. Love myself some Monster. Good. Still, you'll piss stones, but who cares? Who cares about that? It's pretty good. It tastes a little more battery acidy than the 5 Hour Energy. Next, we got a Red Bull Classic. Kind of like a little bit of a sweeter Monster. This one's probably the most acidy yet. I don't know. You can't argue with the facts that it has not given me wings yet. I was feeling a little sleepy before filming this. Now I'm feeling like a little amped up. I honestly think this is kind of working. I didn't expect that. Next is the Venom. This is the original flavor. That is basically just Monster. Oh my god. It tastes like Monster. I think it's a little cheaper, which is pretty good. I can't taste a difference. Next is Rockstar. Win instantly. You could win instantly. Thousands of prizes. I'm starting to get a little shaky because I've had nothing to eat all day. Last time I ate was like 4 yesterday. No, wait, no. I had a bag of Takis and some chocolate. This doesn't taste that good. And that is not good. Don't get that. I can't describe what it tastes like. It's not good though, I can tell you that. This one is strawberry watermelon ice. Just say straw melon. Or so, they gotta start making up new words for this stuff because they keep combining abstract flavors together and it just doesn't. It's not working out. Oh yeah, this is C4. This is probably the best tasting one yet. Actually, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. My chest is starting to hurt. I don't know if that's just delusion or not, but and then finally we got Prime. The tropical punch. I tried to get a central theme here. C4 and Prime are the best so far. They're pretty good. So, nastiest is Rockstar or 5 Hour Energy. Best is Prime or C4. We're going to put them in a bowl and we're going to drink it. And I hope my heart explodes just in my chest like that Mortal Kombat fatality. I don't remember who that was. Owen, insert the clip of that guy's heart exploding. Okay. Up first, we got our Prime. Rockstar. Oh, it's turned it piss yellow. Oh, that's disgusting. I don't know if this bowl's gonna have enough room for this. Yeah, that's bad. That's real bad. That's gonna ruin the whole drink. Oh, this is also piss yellow. This is gonna dissolve my teeth. This is gonna destroy my enamel. I'm gonna have to go to the dentist. Red Bull. Oh, that was Venom, by the way. This one's also piss yellow. Who's got a piss kink at the energy company? It's starting to get a little heavy. I gotta hold it like a baby. If this one's piss yellow, I'm gonna get mad. It's piss yellow. I think it's from the taurine. Excuse me. Sorry about that. It's starting to slosh around. It's starting to get a little dangerous. I do not want to cover myself with this. This one's red. It's really starting to get full here. This is really precarious. It's also really bubbly. Okay. Careful. This one's clear. This one's the C4. We're almost to the brim. That's not good news. Okay, careful. I'm gonna have to put this on the cinder block. Okay, calm down. Oh my god. Okay. This is like 6 pints. This is like 6 pints. And then finally, to top it off, some 5 Hour Energy. Ah. Okay. Consuming this in fast fashion might give you heart palpitations, might give you something bad. I wouldn't recommend doing this. It's gonna be a little nasty, it's gonna be a little gross. It looks like acidic, like acid water from Yellowstone. This is not a good vibe. This is not good. Don't try this at home, please. And finally, something I'm going to dub lighter fluid. This is my new energy drink, lighter fluid. Taste test. It's nasty. It's really gross. And now we're going to stand here until I finish this. Or if I throw up, I'll stop. Halfway done. Halfway. I don't feel good. I don't feel good. Oh my god. Oh, I don't feel good. This is not. This isn't good, guys. Guys, I'm seriously dying here. Guys, my tummy hurts. Guys, my tummy hurts really bad. Oh. I gotta take a break. I can't do it all at once. It feels like the lining of my stomach is being stripped away by little ants, all just numbing on it. Oh, my tummy. It feels like there's a little man in there and he's punching the walls. And he's hurting me. He's hurting me real bad. He's growing. The little man is growing inside of me and he's punching everywhere. I might throw up. I hate throwing up. Oh, I just need to... Oh, okay. I need to sit down for a minute. All right. Okay. Oh, God. I'm gonna throw up, guys. Oh, I feel a little better now. The best thing to wash away the pain is probably a little more lighter fluid. Ah! I threw up. It's done. It's over. It's one of the worst things I've ever been through. I equate it to getting flayed alive, I think. Horrible. I can't even describe. It felt like I was expanding into that little blueberry lady from Willy Wonka. It just wanted out of me. It didn't want to be in me anymore. It's like I concocted sulfuric acid and swallowed it all. Lighter fluid was horrible. I hate energy drinks. I'm banning them from my body, from my household. They're horrible. Oh my god. This is, I regret this. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. On all across the board, 0 out of 10. Horrible, miserable. Like and subscribe for my physical pain I put myself through for you. For your entertainment. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. This is a really tight shirt. You can see my nipples and my fat tummy.